pala si Dennis Limdico at ang posisyon ko dito ay kagawad ng Poblasyon 1.
Okay.
Ang GAD kasi ay yun ay isa para sa budget. Yung GAD ay para sa senior citizen at saka sa solo parent, PWD.
Ganun po sa...
Ngayon kasama ng LGBTQ, bago pa lang.
People often judge as a normal human response, but discrimination is the treatment based off this judgment. They are also human beings, not much nor less of everyone else.
Po si Journaling at Pink Cordova. Ang edad ko po ay 57, tapos ako ay single parents. 26 years old lang yun. Hiwalay, single parents po. Tapos nung ako'y, siyempre mahirap yung buhay. Naranasan ko nung ako iniwan ng aking asawa. Tapos nagkaanak pa sa iba. Tapos siyempre napakahirap ng aking pinamas. Ang masukan ng katulong na bandera ng pagsadura. Tapos at least sa karaos naman sa araw-araw. Ngayon kahit pa paano nakakaawa na rin sa kahirapan. Pero gano'n pa rin, nagtitinda pa rin para matagdagan yung iniipon-ipon. Kaso pumasok pala kami ng boards. Nakatulong din naman yung talaga ng malaki sa akin.
Ako po si Rexy Astronomo, 18 years old. Nakatira po ako sa Nagcarlan, Laguna. Naging part po ako ng LGBT nung grade 2 pa lang po ako. Nung grade 2, nung una, kung bakit ako naging bading, nung una hindi ko pa sure kung bading talaga ako. Kasi nagkakakrush ako sa same sex ko. Tanggap naman ako ng magulang ko. Wala naman naging hadlang. Yun lang mga kaklase ko na, yung alam mo yung tinatawag na, uy, tomboy, ganan. Yung damit ko kasi, parang panlalaki na. Naging epekto ng lipunan. Mabuti naman yung ngayon. Yung dati kasi hindi masyadong okay yung mga tao sa mga part ng LGBT. Ngayon naman, support naman sila dito sa part ng mga LGBT.
Even though Lucelle doesn't want to be on camera, her experience tells an important story. Lucelle Rodrigo is 50 years old and has been living as a PWD for 4 years. Because of her orthopedic condition, her life has changed in many ways. She can no longer do the old habits and activities she used to enjoy after suffering from stroke. She easily gets tired and must be careful not to overexert herself. This shift hasn't been easy, as she had to let go of things that were once a natural part of her daily routine. Even with these challenges, Lucelle stays connected to her environment. She uses her PWD ID and the discount it provides to help manage her needs. While she can move as much as before, she still makes an effort to join events for PWDs. By showing up to these gatherings, she remains part of a community that understands her journey. Her story shows that even when a person's physical abilities change, their right to be included and supported stays the same.
They are members of our community, whose voices are often unheard. Single or widowed moms, PWD, or the elderly. They are individuals who experience limited opportunities and often mistreated.
They are not strangers, they are our neighbors, friends, and family members who deserve to be treated with dignity, respect, and fairness.
GAP stands for Gender and Development. It initiative that support that equalities, empowerments, and inclusive so that every individuality has the opportunity to grow and contribute to society.
Our advocacy, misunderstood voices heard, equality is assured, reminds us that when we listen to those who are often overlooked, we create a community where everyone feels valued and supported.
How does GAD help these people? It's easy. Through education, protection program, and community initiatives that empowers individuals and ensure their voices and rights are recognized.
By supporting GAD initiatives, practicing respect and equality, and working together as we build a safe and inclusive environment.
For those wondering, why should the community help these people? It's because a truly progressive community is one where every voice matters. And as they say, no one is left behind.
When we support gender development, we promote sustainability, responsibility, and unity that will strengthen our community for years to come.
Let us continue standing together in hope and commitment. When misunderstood voices are heard, equality is assured, and future generations will inherit a community that is fair, sustainable, and full of opportunity for all.
Be the example, be the reason, be the change. Misunderstood voices heard, equality is assured.
Thank you.